Ladies, have you heard about the Made for More Women's Conference happening May 17th and 18th in Columbus, Ohio, entitled Purposed? I hope you have, because you need to be a part of this amazing conference. Already, all of the VIP seats have been reserved. Women are coming in from all over the United States, from Georgia, New York, West Virginia, South Carolina, Ohio, Alabama. You don't want to miss this conference. There's a reason why they're coming in, because they are excited, because they've experienced our past conferences and they are full of God. They're full of the Holy Spirit. They're full of joy, love, and deliverance and healing and all the things that you need. If you have already reserved your seat, but you failed to order your conference t-shirt, then make sure you go back into Eventbrite and let us know what t-shirt you need so that we can place those orders before May 9th. If you have not reserved your seat yet, what are you waiting on? Get in there and reserve your seat today. I am excited about what God is going to do, because we're doing all the things to make sure that God has his way. We're praying, we're fasting, we're seeking his face. It's going to be phenomenal. We want this to be all about whatever it is he wants to do, so that when we walk away, we will know that we've been touched by God himself. If you need hotel accommodations, we have a block of room with an amazing rate of only $129 per night. So if you want to gather your girlfriends, say, hey, let's just go get rooms so that we can completely unplug and completely immerse ourselves in the conference and everything about it. So go ahead and make your arrangements today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you at the conference.